So now we are going to talk about the hypervisor. A hypervisor is a software that creates and run virtual machine, that is VMs. Hypervisor is also known as virtual machine monitor or VMM. Hypervisor allows one host computer to support multiple guest VMs by virtually sharing its resources, such as memory and processing. Why we use a hypervisor? So hypervisor make it possible to use more of a system's available resources and provide greater IT mobility, since the great VMs are independent to the host hardware. It means they can be easily moved between different servers, because multiple virtual machines can run off of physical server with the hypervisor, and a hypervisor reduces space, energy and maintenance requirement. There are mainly two types of hypervisors: type 1 hypervisors and type 2 hypervisors. So talking about the types of hypervisor, the type 1 hypervisor is also known as native hypervisor, or we can say bare metal hypervisor, and type 2 hypervisor is also known as hosted hypervisor. Uh, in type 1 hypervisor, the hypervisor runs directly on underlying host system. It does not require any base server operating system. It has direct access to the hardware resources. The example of type 1 hypervisor includes VMware ESXi, Microsoft Hyper-V hypervisor, and Citrix Zen server. These are the examples of type 1 hypervisor, which we can also call as bare metal. And talking about the type 2, the host operating system runs directly on underlying host system. Basically, a software installed on an operating system is a type 2 hypervisor. Hypervisor asks operating system to make hardware calls. It also has examples, that is VMware Player or Parallel Desktop. Uh, Now we can see both the types in the diagram, where type 1 contain the VM1 and VM2, where it also contain application and guest OS, and hypervisor and hardware. So this is the complete diagram for the type 1, and this one is for type 2. So it also contain VM1 and VM2, that is VMware 1 and VMware 2. Also it contain guest operating system, applications, hypervisor and host operating system. So now we are talking about the benefits of hypervisor. It has mainly four benefits: speed, efficiency, flexibility and portability. So hypervisor are very portable, since virtual machine are independent from the physical machine, so that's why they are portable. And hypervisor are very flexible. That is, here we can see bare metal hypervisors allow operating system and their associated applications to run on a variety of hardware type, because the hypervisor separates the OS from the underlying hardware. So the software no longer relies on specific hardware devices or drives. It is very efficient, and the speed of hypervisor allows virtual machine to be created instantly. Talking about the efficiency of a hypervisor, so it runs several virtual machines on a physical machine's resources. It also allows for more efficient utilization of one physical server. It is more cost and energy efficient to run several virtual machines on physical machine, that to run multiple underutilized physical machines for the same task. So these are the four benefits of hypervisor, and these are the types of hypervisors.